morning, everyone, from the Nelson Mini Farm. Wanted to give everyone an update on how I'm doing. Doing better. Going today to have an MRI and blood work. Hopefully the doctors can figure out what's going on with my seizures. Anyway, I will, of course, we'll be filming a lot of it and posting it on the channel so everyone can see, because it's not just fun and games, it's 100% real life here on the mini farm. Alright, we're headed to get my blood work and MRI, and keep you posted after that. Okay, everybody, just now leaving Quest in Eustis, and now we're heading to Claremont for the MRI. Keep you posted. MRI is done. Now the wait for the results is on. Next.